Hello everyone and welcome back to Bumpy. Today we're going to be working with those hanging hearts Valentine's decor from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see. And the reason why I inserted a picture is because I took them apart before I showed you. So basically you get a couple of hearts and they're kind of different sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the big ones, and I'm going to be using two of the smaller ones. You can see it's just slightly a little smaller. Okay, so I'm going to use three of these, and we're going to do a heart wall hanging, and we're going to do it all rustic and farmhouse look. Okay, so we're going to start with, let me push the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. I'm sorry about all these glares and all these lights. I've been fighting with the blinds. It's cloudy outside from this big storm that we had, but now like the sun wants to come in through little peaks here and there, and I got tired of fighting with it, so I'm sorry. Once I get you down on the table, hopefully all that glare will go away. Okay, so I'm going to take the bigger heart and the two smaller hearts, and I'm going to take a piece of the Foss looking wood shelf paper from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use the back part of this in case we ever want to use the front part. We can always take this apart and reuse it another year. So what I'm going to do is just cut little pieces square. Okay, and then we're just going to peel this on it and then trim around the sides. And we're just going to lay it right and then we're just gonna cut all the way around. Okay, and the reason I didn't show you any supplies at the beginning of the video, because this is kind of use what you have in your supply kit. Try to spend any money. So I've had this wood fox paper, you know, shelf paper from the Dollar Tree, so that's what I'm using. Then I'm using lace and ribbon and stuff that I just have here without spending any money, and just creating a rustic farmhouse Valentine's decor. Okay, so we're going to cut this one all the way around. Okay, so now let me work with what I have. I went into my little stash craft basket, and I have this kind of lace. That is not much. I had some Dollar Tree lace as well. I have this chevron, like burlap ribbon in black and brown. I have this gray and white one. So I chose, and I already made one out of this Dollar Tree lace. And then these two I'm going to do exactly the same, so then this one can be in the middle. And I think I'm going to use this chevron burlap ribbon with the black and white. Okay, so all we're going to do is just kind of add it where you like. No particular order. There we go. And I'm just going to see if I want to do maybe just 2. Yeah, so it's not so busy. So here I'm just going to do 2. And I did actually 3 with the lace. But this one's a bigger heart. So, and I'm going to leave, let me see if this makes sense to you. I'm going to leave a little bit hanging out from the corner here so then we can cut it diagonally to the heart. Okay? Okay guys, as you can see, I have all 3 of my hearts done. I have my lace one that I did earlier, because like I said, I didn't really want to put materials to this project because use your imagination, use things that you already have. Look, I already had these bows actually made, too many for another project, so I'm just going to use them like so. I'm going to do the same idea of the decor that I bought at the Dollar Tree. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this burlap from the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry it's not on the roll, but I take it out of the roll and just fold it. And it's so much easier storage for ribbons like this in the burlap. Okay, so this is going to be my middle here. Okay, and then I want one of these at the top. One of this one in the top. And then this other one here. Okay, so I'm just going to get my measuring tape. And I'm going to make sure that they're even. That each heart is even. Okay, so I have here 2.5 inches. So 2.5 inches. Okay, then I'm going to just add glue to the hearts and just glue them on the ribbon. Now I'm just going to go back and make sure that this ribbon is completely glued to the hearts. Okay, and I'm just going to leave a little tail, like so. And then I'm going to finish it off, like so. Okay, now with the piece of twine on the top, we are going to make a little hanger, like so, so then we can hang it up on the wall. And what I'm going to do is just I'm going to pinch it like this together. I'm going to add, let me cut this out here. Make sure that this is really glued top here to the heart. And then I'm just going to put glue right here in the middle and add my little hanger here. Squeezing it together, pushing down really well. Get yourself a little hanger, like so. And that is it, guys. Use what you have in stock, you know, and just create. Okay, so let's hang this up and see what it looks like. And here you have it on the wall. I think it looks adorable. I think you can use this for a wedding. You can use this for your master bedroom decor, and definitely for Valentine's rustic farmhouse look. Let me show you another way that you can also place this on the front door. And then over here, I just used a dark brown willow Dollar Tree wreath with a bow that I made with burlap and lace, and I hung the heart right in the middle of the wreath. So this is separate. You can actually remove it and then just added it to the wreath. You can use this for your front door as well. So yeah, I love it. This is going to be part of my Valentine's living room decor, and I'm just loving it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, because tomorrow we have a Valentine's inspired neutral farmhouse wreath. Thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.